Welcome back to the Python tutorial series. I'm so glad you're here. This is the 17th video in this series, and today we will be talking about dictionaries. So let's get started. In a dictionary in Python, there are key value pairs. If you compare this to an actual dictionary, a key is to a word as a value is to a definition. In Python, there are two ways to write a dictionary. One way is to do open and close curly braces, and then write the key, then a colon, then the value, and then separate each key value pair with commas. Another way to write a dictionary is by doing dict and then open and close parentheses, and then separating each key and value with an equal sign, and then separating each key value pair with a comma. You can then print the dictionaries by doing print phone numbers and print grades. And when you run this program, you will get the key value pairs for the dictionaries. In order to get a specific value for a specific key, we could do print phone numbers, then print the doctor's phone number by doing this. And when we run this, we will get the doctor's phone number, 12345678990. However, if we wanted to print a phone number for mom is not in phone numbers. When we run this, we will get a key error because there is no value associated with mom. We can solve this problem by doing phone numbers dot get and then have mom in parentheses. Then when we run this, we will get none because there is no value associated with mom. If we wanted to output a specific value if it didn't exist, we could do that by doing a comma and then writing something such as this value doesn't exist. Now when we run this, it will print this value doesn't exist. If we wanted to print each key value pair in a dictionary, we could do that by doing for key in phone numbers dot keys, open and close parentheses, then a colon, and then print the key, and then an arrow, and then the value, phone numbers key. And when we run this, we will get every key value pair in phone numbers. So we'll get the doctor's number and the electrician's number. If we wanted to change the doctor's phone number, we could by doing phone numbers, doctor, and then enter the new number after the equal sign. So after we update the doctor's phone number, we can print the phone numbers dictionary again by doing print phone numbers. And when we run this, we will get the updated phone number for doctor, and there we have it, 888-000-0088. We could also add a phone number by doing phone numbers author if we wanted to add an author to a phone numbers dictionary. And we'll add the number here, then print phone numbers, and when we run this, we will get author added to the phone numbers dictionary. We can also delete author from the phone numbers dictionary, like if you were to delete a phone number from your address book, we could do that by doing del, then phone numbers author. And now when we print this, the author's phone number will no longer be in the phone numbers dictionary because we removed it. We could also print the length of the phone numbers dictionary by doing print len phone numbers. And when we run this, we will get 2 because there are currently 2 numbers in the phone numbers dictionary. If we wanted to, we could also delete the entire phone numbers dictionary by doing del, then phone numbers. And then when we print phone numbers, it will give us a name error because phone numbers is not defined since we deleted it. And that is how dictionaries work in Python. Thank you so much for watching. If you noticed an improvement in the sound quality, it's because I just got a microphone, and I'll be using that from now on. If you have any suggestions for improvement or want information on a specific topic, please feel free to comment down below. Make sure to follow along with this video series by subscribing and hitting the notification bell, or by clicking on the next video so that you can expand your knowledge about Python. And as always, I can't wait to see you next time.